Yeah, what's up, homie? Welcome to California, lost in paradise.
Good morning, everybody. Today we are in Bali, Indonesia, a bucket list place, about to cross another thing off of our bucket list.
Another bucket list moment. Yesterday we were walking down the beach and we met a guy, the nicest guy, and he actually offers surf lessons. So we decided to sign up, and today we're getting ready to surf for the first time.
We just made it to the beach. He recommended 8 a.m. It's currently 8:30. We said we would get here at 9, right? So technically we're kind of early, but we can already see all the surfers in the water. I'm excited to go over there and hopefully somebody else didn't snatch him up. But if not, we always have tomorrow.
Definitely.
Let's go. We are in the second week of August, and I'm not gonna lie to you, the weather here is perfect. Now my question is, how do we get the pictures? We see Roy, our instructor.
Good morning. How are you? Good, good.
8:30, not bad.
Not bad, not bad. We're in class right now.
How exciting.
You speak Portuguese?
No,
Spanish.
Spanish, yeah?
Yeah, Spanish.
My island's colonial by Portuguese.
Oh, okay.
Woo! Surf instructor. Put our wetsuits on?
Want to say something?
Oh, of course.
Yeah, what's up, homie? Welcome to California, lost in paradise.
I love it.
Look at that. The wave's really cute for learning today. In America, Los Angeles, California. But here, California, lost in paradise. Woo!
We're getting our rash guards on. With our cameras set up, it was time to hit the sand. Class is in session. Now you're going to want to pay attention because if you look away, you might miss it. That's right, surfing is as simple as 3 steps. Pushing yourself up, setting your feet, and extending out your arms for balance. Of course, there is more to it, but for a beginner, that's pretty much all you need to know. Before hitting the waves, make sure you are comfortable on the sand, or you might run into some trouble like waves smacking you in the face and not being able to get back up on your board. After 15 minutes of training, correcting our form, and getting some more reps in, our instructor and us were confident in our skills and ready to catch our first wave. Unfortunately, no one told us how much work it would be to make it out far enough to catch it.
Yeah! How confident are you feeling?
Good.
We gotta warm up still.
Simple. It's like 3 steps.
We're warming up right now.
Yeah, do it, do it.
Right now is the warm up. And then we get in the water.
Why we should warm up? Because warm up a day, keep a stiff away.
Yeah!
In Bali, 1 coconut a day keeps a doctor away. Ta, ta,
There we go, we need a coconut.
After this, get coconut from Mr. Roy. We're gonna be an American TV.
We did it.
We did it. If I were to describe our lives right now, someone was like, what's your life like? I would compare us to the Incredibles. Like, we're like superheroes. We like do it all. It's so crazy.
We do it all.
It's been such a great experience out here the past 4.5 months. And I'm so excited for,
So many firsts that we've done, and we've done them together. Like,
we literally rode our first wave together like, at the same exact time next to each other.
we
were
stood
just
up
riding
and
them.
we were just riding, and that's the first time
we
that we
rode
like rode it until it died.
Yeah, we rode it a good 15 seconds.
And then we like had to jump off because it was
the
just
boards.
we were just standing there. We did. Oh my god, it was such an amazing time. It was so incredible. Look at, oh my god, look at that little kid.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, he's bouncing.
Oh my gosh.
He's getting speed.
See, I think it's easier for little kids. I wish I learned to surf when I was smaller.
It's a smaller board.
No, but also I'd be fearless. I'd be like, yeah, you know?
What a cool experience. I think I worked up an appetite right now.
Yeah. I need
I'm
to chug
ready
2
for
bottles
some-
of water.
This is Roy.
Instructor Roy.
Roy helped us out today. He got us situated with a board and instructor. If you come to Bali, definitely come check Roy out. We'll add his Instagram to this video, so you could go ahead and just click his Instagram, give him a follow, and pay him a visit when you're here.
Yeah. The biggest hardship I had for scuba diving was whenever the water had to go in the mask. Like, we had to get water near our eyes, with our eyes, anything like that. I'm so proud of myself because my eyes are bloodshot. They were burning, 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 but you don't have time to think about it. You don't have time to do anything. It's like, girl, it's time to paddle. You got to catch this wave. Like Bendita was like, "You come on, are you good? It's good. You're good." The whole time was amazing. I can't believe we just did that.
We just did 2 hours, and it felt like we were there for like 30 minutes.
Yeah.
To me, felt like I was surfing 30 minutes.
It was so quick.
My shoulders
In the best way.
think it was 5 hours. So that's gonna wrap it up for our first day of surfing. We had an amazing time. It was
Incredible
great seeing the
experience.
smile on Jade's face when we were surfing together.
I just love firsts. I love
And
firsts.
yeah.
And I got a cute picture. So check out our Instagram too. We will obviously link it in the description. It's always in the description of all of our videos. Meet the Hengs, Jade Hang,
And Felipe_Hang.
period. And we are the Hengs.
Hengs.
It's hang, 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 hang. Woo! We couldn't find him the whole time. Nothing. All the way on the other side. We were looking for Felipe, couldn't find Felipe. He was trying to catch his waves, but it's harder when you don't have an instructor. So I sat here, I had my corn, I talked to Lisa, I bought some things. So if you guys are watching this, and I know you do, Lala, Amy, Bray, Jay, Papa, I just got your souvenirs on the beach in Bali. So this has been my vibe this entire time. How was your surfing?
Horrible experience. Great exercise. The water was amazing, and that's honestly what I came for. You know, I wasn't expecting to like catch any waves or anything, but definitely if you are learning, get an instructor.
We only had one lesson,
One lesson,
and he thought he could catch his own
I
waves.
figured like maybe, you know, I could just somehow make it happen. You know, it doesn't hurt. It's like 50,000 to.
Yeah, we'll come back tomorrow. I'll go out with
But,
you.
I was talking to Roy now, and he's like, yeah, you just have to pedal. You just have to paddle. When the wave's like 2 or 3 meters behind you, look back, find the wave, go. But it's like so hard to distinguish what is a good wave and what is a bad wave, and when to start paddling and when to, you know, stand up. So it's definitely tricky.
Just need more practice, that's it.
Exactly, more practice.
Okay, whatever that means. The puppies are going in the water. No, she's not.
Okay.
Side stop.
Okay,
Hey, stop.
Pick one.
Hmm.
You look no time. Side
Okay.
stop.
okay. Stop.
Pick one.
Okay.
You look to the left.
Okay.
Remember you cut.
Uh-huh.
Okay, okay.
You put.
Hi.
Okay, okay. Okay. Oh, nice shuffle.
Remember.
Uh-huh.
Here.
Side stop.
Oh man, that was my card. Mine.
His card.
Good trick.
Wow.
Okay.
Don't look on it.
No way.
Don't open it. Don't open. Side stop. Don't open. Open your head. Open your head. You blow together. Blow.
Okay.
Open.
Oh my god, I have his card and he has my card.
Stop.
Pick one. Same card. One.
Oh wow.
Size card. Open.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Size stop.
Stop.
Okay.
Remember?
Okay, okay. Wait.
No. To a heart.
We're Jade and
Felipe, a newlywed couple on a journey of a lifetime, traveling to all the places we've always dreamed about visiting, learning about cultures, then checking things off of our bucket list along the way.